We have breaking news coming in. Union Minister Chirag Paswan sharply criticized Nitish Kumar-led Bihar government over the rising crime in the state. This comes after a 26-year-old woman, aspirant of Home Guard, was allegedly gang-raped inside a moving ambulance in Bihar's Bodh Gaya. Two accused, including ambulance driver Vinay Kumar and technician Ajit Kumar, have been arrested in this connection. So far, Chirag Paswan has said that criminal incidents are happening one after another in the state and the administration is failing to stop them. He's also said that the law and order situation in the state is out of control and added that he feels sad to be supporting a government where crime continues to be unchecked. Listen to what Chirag Paswan had to say.
इसमें प्रशासन की मिली भगत है और या फिर प्रशासन इस पे लीपापोती करने का कार्य कर रहा है और या फिर पूरी तरीके से प्रशासन निकम्मा हो चुका है और अब इनके बस का नहीं है बिहार और बिहारियों को सुरक्षित रखना। ऐसे में पुनः एक बार मैं बिहार सरकार से आग्रह करूंगा, ज़रूरी है समय रहते हम लोगों को इसके ऊपर कार्रवाई करने की।
Yeah, a very shocking and a very heinous crime has been reported from Gaya in Bihar, where one of the female aspirants who had come to Gaya to participate in the entrance of Bihar Home Guard examination, and there was a physical test which was going on. She was participating there and she fell ill, and then immediately she was rushed to the hospital. So the hospital, the ambulance which actually took her to the hospital, the driver and the attendant, the technician in the ambulance, they raped her and then they left her on the roadside. The matter was immediately brought to the notice of the Gaya police, and they immediately swung into action and they arrested both the driver and the technician. They have confessed to their crime. The lady has been sent to the hospital for further medical treatment, and those who had committed this heinous crime, they have been taken under custody, and as we speak they are being forwarded to the jail. So it is indeed a very shocking incident where this ambulance was called actually when she fell ill during the physical test which was going on for the entrance of the Bihar Home Guard, and she was immediately advised to go to the hospital, and the ambulance driver and the technician who was there accompanying the driver in that particular ambulance, they committed this crime. And but thankfully within 2 hours of this coming to the notice of the police, the action has been taken and both of them are under police custody as we speak.